Unlock great deals. Understanding year-end sale. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that you've probably seen in many shop windows and online stores. Year-end sale. This term pops up frequently as the calendar year draws to a close, and it carries some fantastic opportunities for shoppers. If you're curious about what it means and why it matters, keep watching as we explore this popular term. A year-end sale is a promotional event that retailers use to clear out their inventory before the year ends. This is when stores offer significant discounts and special offers to encourage customers to purchase more. It's a win-win situation. Shoppers get great deals, and retailers make room for new stock. These sales are common in December, but can start as early as November. There are a few reasons why a store might have a year-end sale. Firstly, it helps them sell off seasonal items that won't be as popular after the holidays. Secondly, it's a chance to boost their sales figures one last time before the year concludes. And thirdly, it's an effective way to entice new customers who are looking for bargains. Shopping during a year-end sale can be exciting, but it's important to shop smart. Here are some tips. Set a budget to avoid overspending. Research in advance to find the best deals. Be aware of the return policy, as some sale items may be final sale. If shopping online, factor in shipping times to ensure your items arrive when you need them. That's a wrap on year-end sales. We hope this video has illuminated the ins and outs of this shopping season. Whether you're snagging a deal on holiday gifts or treating yourself, remember these tips to make the most of the sales. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.